An idea for the project Dancing Trees started out of our need to address this very important question of survival of the trees as living entities, and because of the huge cutting of the trees that is happening in our city, in our country, and then globally. We are witnessing now corporations, institutions, different bodies, how they destroy the environment by cutting the trees without realizing that they do a huge damage because of the profit. Because, for example, trees are very important for the life in the cities. If we don't have trees, we are going to have very high temperatures, we are not going to have the clear air, oxygen, and so on. So trees are important in the lives of our communities, and this is what we really want to underline.
So we created a project which consists of the outdoor performance, which is called Dancing Trees. This is the performance that also is partly inspired with the book of a German forest engineer, Peter Wolleben, which is called Secret Life of the Trees. And through this aspect that we want to pass to the audience through the dance, from the visual language, performers' art, of course, we want to sensitize the people for the real life of the trees that we are neglecting, and we are usually not thinking about the trees as beings. We are thinking as goods, so we cut no matter of suffering which is involved in all this. As well, our wider purpose of the project is to raise awareness about the huge existential problem that we are all facing now. It's a survival of the environment on the planet. It's a survival of all of us. And we will organize the conversation with the audience after the performance in order to discuss together these topics and to hear what audience is thinking about the cutting the trees in the city. Then we will try to organize the more talk with more expert people about the climate change, and as well a digital platform that will give opportunity to mix artists, experts, and the audience, and maybe create new projects which will deal with trees and environmental problems in Serbia as well wider.
We would like to influence the constitutions of the countries to involve idea of trees being really living entities, as some countries already did, and so that we can really all understand that we live on the planet where we live with other living beings.